All right, so for $28.55 on Amazon. I'll put a link to the part, but we're going to be replacing for the Jeep Grand Cherokee 2014. This switch, which is broken, it sticks up, and it'll roll the window down, but not up. So we got to get that out of there. And the only tool I had in the car was a tiny little pocket knife, but I think this just prized open. Yeah, how easy is that? Oh yeah, comes right out. Phenomenal. Excellente. All right, I'm gonna need 2 hands to unplug this. Be right back. Okay, from the back here, there's a little thumb pusher in her, and with a little wiggle, comes right out. Easy peasy. Out with the old. We'll check that out later. In with the new. Holy moly. Clean this up a little. No, not even very dirty. And up you go. Ha! What? That seemed too easy to. All right, let's try starting. Okay, moment of truth. Up and down. It's fixed. 45 seconds probably. Easy.